Khabeisoi Da Leiba Babina Hospitalgi Chahi Pharakpagi Ahanba Foundation Day Thouram ngasi North AOC Da Leiba Hotel IMPHAL SANGAI Hall the Pangthokkhre Health Services Government of Manipur Director Dr. Jumbo Konmai Babina Group of Companies ke Chairman and Managing Director Dr. Thouram Amadi Babina Hospitalgi Medical Superintendent Dr. Shyam Kumar Laishram Natoi Mitunglen Thouram mapu amadi akanaba mitunglen sing oina saruk yaduna Thouram aduda Dr. Jumbo Konmai na haikibada karigumba achievement ama fangi harabadi pandam amaga loina Akhang kanba amaga lunina thabak tawba changi state asina malem gi thakta hospital kaya leirakpa amadi anala ingi lamda achievement kaya fanglakpa asina state asi leivak asigi leiriba state singdagi mangzin thari takpani masida natana lamda masida leiriba anala ing sang singna anaba singda nungshiba amaga lunina afaba makhagi service pinaba apel tawkibaga lunina anala ingi lamda hena manglomda changsinaba miyam punna honamine se haiba wafam singsu phongdoki
Let us try to continue doing our best even in the coming days also and next year also. Let Manipur get the best award. Aduna paise loi namaki mindset se manaraga puchen manaraga and spreading the importance of eye donation, asigumba and then organ donation. Asigumba ki se Mimiam the President will be able to continue to get award also and good achievement for the state. Adugi the Makta Mimiam the Amuk remind those of me. And till now, the state na say organ transplant of Maraksida kidney transplant say 185 transplant both from living and deceased donor. So out of 185 transplants, 123 are female donors and 54 are male donors. So male donors need to increase.
Thouram aduga mari lenina Babina Group of Companies ke Chairman and Managing Director Dr. Thouram Dabalina phongdokibada Hospital asi aso engam yaudana chai ama miyam gi seba tawrakliba si Hospital asi da leiba Medical Superintendent yauna tungan ba hospital staff singi chawroba thodang kaya aduna ni haiki Magna makha taraduna Babina Group of Companies asina Diagnostic Center oina hanglambadagi lamda masida cancer leina asina piriba chaitheng amadi masibu mayukna ba Honabada Thengnariba Awaba Kaya Asigi Kanduna Hospital Asi Hanglakibani, Amadi Hospital Asina Telaba Matamasida Awaba Kaya Thengnarabasu, Singtaningai Oiba Kongtang Kaya Pharakpagi Matung Tarakpadasu Matung Tarakpa Matam Singdasu Ahanba Facilities Kayaga Lodina Hena Pangthokkhre Hospital Ama Oinaba Amadi Miyamgi Seba Hena Tawbak Ngamnaba Honaminasi Haiba Wafam Singsu Phongdoki
Karamba temperature the preserved obra habitu me su khangning ni aba. So usually 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius the asigi range tadi adum kidney gumba liver gumba se yabni aduna asigi temperature tadi maintain already akoina asigi organ gi transplant se process to biya ni have say mimiam da dum ni aduna we all need to spread the awareness to all our people and all the medical staff also and the importance of donation and why we are donating and why we want to save life adu gumbagi wakhan se thokhalaga akoi miyam sing sina pungning changlaga akoi gi organ donator ga mi gi punsi se kan se hai se ngasi gi thim gi duda aina repeat